Heelys are a gift of Hermès, the great messenger. They allow you to move swiftly through an urban environment. Our goal is to teach everybody how to use Heelys safely. Our greatest physical protection against falling is our own mind, so we must learn how to fall in order to prevent it. There are 3 ways of falling. The first one is going parallel, the second one is getting your front foot stuck, and the third one are user errors. Going parallel is when your Heelys line up with each other. So the best way to think about it is how a bicycle, the 2 wheels, one's in front, one's in the back. That's how you got to keep your Heelys. Going parallel is when the 2 wheels line up with each other. I call this the line of death, and you'll fall so fast you won't even know what happened. You'll be picking yourself up, okay? To understand going parallel, the best way to learn it is to feel it out. So I suggest getting 2 chairs to balance yourself out, to discover what it feels like to kind of go parallel a little bit and be a little bit uncomfortable. And after you discover that line of death and overcome that fear, you're gonna have to jump out of it when it happens. And this just becomes a natural part of wearing Heelys, okay? So if you go parallel, I'm gonna do it really fast. It's basically your feet will fly out in front of you, okay? So you have to jump out of it. Okay, you gotta jump out of it. You'll get better at it, and you'll discover that the line of death is actually a path of destiny that was just blocked through fear and lack of understanding, okay? So you gotta overcome your fears. There's your first lesson. Life lesson, that's free. The next one's a little bit more. The second way of falling is getting your front foot stuck, okay? So this happens when your wheels begin to wear down and the rocks that were normally able to be rolled over get stuck in your wheelbase, and it stops you from rolling and just fly forward, okay? And the third way of falling is just user errors. And that comes from not wearing your Heelys just naturally, and I'll teach you how to prevent that. To gain speed efficiently, the preferred option is the 1-2 step. And what you want to do is prepare a step with your lead foot. Your lead foot is the foot that stays planted when you kick a ball. So the kicking leg would be your back leg, okay? So what you want to do, prepare a step with your lead foot, make a power step with your back foot, and then roll into it, okay? Again, prepare a step with your lead foot, make a power step with your back foot, which is basically you're jumping into it. Alright? Here's my advice. Never roll faster than you can run, because trying to run out of, a downhill, this is not going to be pretty. Okay, take that. I hope this lesson helps you in your Heely adventures. This is just part 1. In part 2, we're going to teach you how to be in the messenger class. And in part 3, we're going to evolve your Heely game to the Boreal class. Stay tuned.